Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're going to take a look at what could very well be the best lunchbox for teenagers, the ZM-YOUTOO reusable lunch bag. Whether you're heading off to school, work, or just need a portable solution for your meals, this lunchbox has everything you need and more. Let's dive into why this simple, yet practical lunchbox is such a popular choice. First things first, let's talk about the design. This lunchbox has a sleek, minimalistic look with a solid black color that suits anyone, regardless of age or gender. The compact size makes it incredibly portable, fitting easily into your backpack, briefcase, or car seat without taking up too much space. Measuring 8.7 by 4.5 by 10.2 inches, it's just the right size for a single meal, snacks, or even a few cans of soda. What really makes the ZM-YOUTOO lunchbox stand out is its insulation. This bag is thermal insulated, which means it keeps your food warm or cold, making it perfect for packing a hot lunch or keeping your drinks chilled throughout the day. The insulation works wonders, especially during long school hours, so you can enjoy your meal just as fresh as when you packed it. Another great feature is its construction. Made from durable materials like polyester, PVC, and PVA, it's built to last. Whether you're throwing it in your locker or tossing it into your car after a long day, this lunchbox can handle the rough and tumble of everyday use. Plus, it's easy to clean. Just wipe it down and you're good to go. The lunchbox is designed to be lightweight and stackable, so it's super convenient when you're storing it or carrying it with you. The zipper closure ensures that everything stays secure, and the single compartment gives you enough room to organize your food without making it too complicated. Let's not forget its eco-friendly design. With a reusable lunch bag, you're doing your part to reduce waste, and that's a win for both the environment and your wallet. Plus, it's a simple yet effective solution for anyone looking to move away from disposable packaging and single-use plastic bags. One more thing to highlight is its versatility. This lunchbox isn't just for teenagers heading to school. It's perfect for anyone, whether you're packing a lunch for work, going on a picnic, or even taking it on a weekend trip. It's portable, functional, and made to last, with all the features that make meal prepping a breeze. To sum it all up, the ZM-YOUTOO lunchbox is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable, stylish, and practical way to carry their meals. If you're a teenager or an adult looking for a lunch bag that offers thermal insulation, durability, and convenience, this could be your new favorite go-to. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there.